So let's have a look at this trapezoidal rule question from the 2011 Leaving Cert Ordinary Level Paper 2. So it's question 1b, and we're given the sketch of a wall that has to be painted. Equal intervals of 1.2 meters have been marked along the bottom of the wall, and then perpendicular lines go up the wall to meet the uneven edge. We're asked to use the trapezoidal rule to estimate the area of the section of the wall. So what the trapezoidal rule actually does is it divides the 6 intervals up into 6 trapezoids and finds the area of those. The formula sums them to give us an overall estimation for the area of the section of the wall. So it's useful to learn the formula as area equals h over 2 on the first height plus the last height plus 2 times the sum of the rest of the heights. H stands for the interval width, which in this case is 1.2 meters. First height is 0. The wall starts on the ground, so it has 0 height initially. And then the wall rises up, undulating until it gets to the last height, which is 2 meters. The sum of the rest of the heights, well, the rest of the heights are going to be 0.6, 1.8, 2.7, 2.2, and 2.4. We're going to sub these values into the formula. So we get that the area is equal to the interval 1.2 over 2 on the first height 0 plus the last height 2 plus 2 times the sum of the rest of the heights 0.6 plus 1.8 plus 2.7 plus 2.2 plus 2.4. So 1.2 divided by 2 is 0.6, 0 plus 2 is 2, and then the sum of the rest of the heights is 9.7. We're going to multiply the 9.7 by the 2 to give 19.4. We're going to add the 2 to the 19.4 to get 21.4. And then we're going to multiply 0.6 by 21.4 to give an estimated area of the wall of 12.84 meters squared. The second part of the question asks, how many litres of paint are required to paint the section of the wall if 1 litre of paint covers an area of 2.2 meters squared? So what we need to figure out is, we need to figure out how many 2.2 meters squared are in our wall of 12.84 meters squared. So if I divide 2.2 meters squared, the area that 1 litre of paint will cover, by 12.84 meters squared, the area of the wall, I get 5.84 litres. And if I give my answer to the nearest litre, that's 6 litres of paint.